Okay, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, anybody wants to come to the front to tell about your presentation? To tell about your daily activities? Raise your hand. Alright, Fadlan, come to the front. Okay, Fadlan. Bring your paper, Fadlan. Alright. Yes, now please, attention, yeah? Attention to him and respect. Okay? Okay, come on.
I get up at 5:30 a.m. After I get up, I pray subuh. After I pray, I have breakfast. After I have breakfast, I take a bath. Then I go to school. I go to school at 6:30. After that, I arrive at school, then go to masjid to pray Isha. After that, I go to class to study. Then I pray Zuhur and have lunch. I have lunch at 12:30 a.m. Then I continue to study until 3 o'clock. After that, I pray Asar and go home. After I go home, I have a math class. After that, I play game, and then I have dinner and go to sleep at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you. Give applause. Okay, next. Alright, good. I'm done.
I get up at 5:30 a.m. Then I take a shower and get dressed. Next, I have breakfast and go to school at 6:40 a.m. After that, I sit down in the chair. Then I study and have lunch at 10 to 12. Then in the evening I go home and take a nap. Then have a dinner and go to bed.
Okay, finish. Thank you. Give applause. Alright, thank you, Fadlan, and thank you, Bilal. Alright, so that's your activities, yeah? Next, Hamzah. Yeah, that's your activities. Alright, now please do exercise again. Yeah, do exercise again.